This video shows how to assemble our retro design, passive phone speaker, with hidden compartment. This is a full assembly video showing all steps. The cut files are available to download for free, on our website, freelaserfiles.com. The speaker shown is cut from 3mm Baltic birch plywood, but any suitable 3mm or 1/8 inch thick material could be used. This is a glue-together model, and Titebond 3 wood glue, from a small squeeze bottle, is used in this assembly. Several spring clamps will be used to hold some of the parts together while the glue dries. The finished speaker is approximately 138mm tall, 228mm long and 118mm wide. The speaker is designed to work with most popular cell phones. The one shown was spray-painted silver after assembly. The speaker in this video is cut on an Ateza P20 Plus 20-watt diode laser, with air assist turned on. Start your build by assembling the latch knob, from parts 73, 74, and 75. Glue part 74 into the front of part 73. Then glue the disc part number 75 into place. Avoid having excess glue squeezing out from between these parts. Set these aside to dry. Next you will need the two parts numbered 41 and the 4 numbered 42. Two of parts 42 are marked inner and 2 are marked outer. The two outer parts have a tab which needs to align with the upright of part 41. Glue these together as shown, by applying the glue to parts 41. Make sure that the tabs and the ovals of the feet are aligned, and add some clamps to hold them while the glue dries. The compartment door is completed next, using part number 76, the door plate, the knob you assembled earlier, and the latch, number 77. Put the knob into place in the door, and glue the latch plate, number 77, onto it. These parts need to turn freely in the door plate, so ensure not to use excess glue. These can be left to dry. When the glue on the legs is dry, and the clamps have been removed, the 8 oval feet, parts number 43, can be glued in place. Again, use clamps to hold these parts in place while the glue dries. The speaker horn is assembled next. This is made from all parts numbers 1 to 40. Laying out the parts as shown makes the assembly easier. Start by turning over part number 40 and gluing part number 39 onto it. Continue gluing the parts together in descending number order. Check the alignment of the parts as they go together. It is important that the slots on these parts are aligned accurately. They will form the slot which holds the two braces later in the build. The speaker body can be assembled next, from parts 44 to 71, and the legs you assembled earlier. All the parts shown have been stacked in number order and with the part numbers in the lower left-hand corner. This will help with the assembly. The legs should be stood up with the tabs facing out. Apply glue as shown to the top section of the legs, tabs, and uprights. With the long legs facing you, and the part numbers of the plates in the lower left corner, slide the plate onto the upright. It is not important to glue every plate in place, but at least the first 3 layers should be glued to form a stable structure. Continue adding the plates in number order, gluing as you wish. The plates after number 54 form the acoustic chamber. These should all be glued together. The two parts, numbered 71, should be glued onto the tabs at the front of the body. These parts are where the horn will attach, so a secure, sealed joint is desirable. Check that all the parts are firmly together, and this should be left to dry. To complete the assembly, you will need the horn, the body, the door, and the two braces, numbers 72. Turn the latch on the door to the unlocked position, and lock it into place on the bottom of the body. The ridge on the horn goes to the top. The slots on the horn go to the bottom and match up to the slots on the body. These slots will hold the two braces. Apply glue to the horn, as shown, and to the tabs on the body. Position the horn in place on the tabs, and apply glue into the slots. Work the two braces into position in the slots. This can be left to dry. Your model is now complete and ready to use or paint. We hope that you have enjoyed assembling this speaker and that you will consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to enable us to keep designing free laser files.